Every domain, file, and URL tells a story. But how do we connect those dots fast enough to get intelligence when we need it? Today, we are unpacking VirusTotal, a powerful threat intel platform that helps us get actionable intelligence in seconds. It also comes with an API, even in the free tier, that we can integrate into our workflows. In this video, we will go through 3 practical use cases that you can apply right away. Let's dive in. So, this is the main dashboard we get when visiting VirusTotal. At the top, you will notice 3 key tabs: File, URL, and Search. Under File, we can upload a suspicious file. We have to be mindful that our uploads are shared with the community, so it is crucial to be sure that we are not breaking any compliance or privacy barriers. Under URL, we can paste a link that looks suspicious or a bit off, and under Search, we can look up file hashes, IPs, or domain names. VirusTotal runs its query against dozens of antivirus engines, sandboxes, and reputation feeds, therefore producing an aggregated report in seconds, thus feeding insights to the security community globally, while at the same time getting back actionable threat intel from it. So, as promised, let's go through 3 quick and practical examples of how we can use VirusTotal in our day-to-day activities. Practical use case number 1. You are reviewing a link with an email that feels a bit off. Instead of clicking it, you copy the URL and paste it into the URL tab. In seconds, you will get a report showing threat intel, whether that site is malicious, suspicious, or clean, plus details about its domain reputation and when it was first seen. Practical use case number 2. Let's say you encounter an attachment that looks a bit off. Maybe it's a PDF or a zip file. Instead of opening or interacting with the file at all, it is safer to get its file hash and look it up directly on VirusTotal. If the file has been analyzed before, you will instantly get any antivirus detections, metadata and submission history, network indicators, behavioral analysis results. Again, we must be cautious about the files we upload, making sure we are authorized to do so, as public submissions are visible to others. Practical use case number 3. You need to quickly query a domain name. You copy the domain name and paste it on VirusTotal. You will then be instantly provided with insights such as DNS and whose data, detected URLs under that domain, and related files or IPs seen communicating with it in the wild. So, to recap, VirusTotal lets you analyze suspicious files, URLs, and domains with data from dozens of engines. It is fast, free, and an essential tool in the arsenal for all analysts, defenders, admins, and anyone wanting instant intel. And that's it for today's walkthrough on VirusTotal, number 4 in our Mastering OSINT series. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from watching it. Thank you for being here.